What's the meaning of alkaloid? Alkaloid. 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 Alkaloid.
Alkaloids are naturally occurring organic compounds, derived primarily from plants and displaying a wide range of physiological effects in humans and animals. Many alkaloids have potent pharmacological properties, and as such, are often used as drugs for treating various medical conditions. Examples of alkaloids include morphine, caffeine, nicotine, and quinine, among many others. Despite their therapeutic potential, some alkaloids can also be toxic, with overdose or abuse leading to serious health complications or even death. Overall, alkaloids are chemically complex molecules with diverse biological activities and important implications for medicine and biology.